Okay, good morning, AP Computer Science students. Today's a little bit different day for our lesson. There's no video lesson today besides this one introducing it. And basically, you're going to do these chapter 3, 4 questions, right? So try them. And then any that you get wrong in here, check this answer key or any you're unsure of just to make sure you understand it. If you need more of an explanation, just send me an email and I'll make help videos related to those questions. And then the assignment is kind of similar. It's just a finals review assignment number 2. Again, it's a pretty quick one. So try all this stuff, and you have an answer key there today to check it if you need help. And obviously, any questions, reach out through email. Right? If you're coming to live class, we're going to do these ones together, and then you can do this other one on your own. Just one final reminder too about the exam on Thursday. If you cannot take it this day, please let me know ahead of time because you need to take it early or you need to find a time to take it because we got to get grades in right away here. So if you can't take it Thursday, reach out through email. Okay, that is it. Have a good day.